Hi everyone, I am Sir Alen from Big Academy. So now we'll be talking about the Facebook Messenger. So how are you going to manage it? Okay, can collaborations with your sales consultant team or the project consultants together to manage all the leads, okay, in the inbox. All right, there's a few features I will use. For example, for those positive customer, we will call it a quality customer or the quality leads. Yeah, quality leads that is giving you response. Example like this THL. Okay, he give me a response, and then I got giving the information like the locations, the city, and the phone number. His profile. Okay, he giving to you. So for this, actually, my recommendations. Okay, please discuss with your manager as well or the director. Okay, is it okay to move into done? Yeah, move to done. So if you move done, then it means this is which means the lead's done already. So the rest is use other way or the sales team know how to follow up. Okay, so after done, you can see it's disappear. It's disappear already. For example, all these I put done because they give the phone number, and then my team actually is note down in the database system already or Google Contacts already or the call already. Okay, so I put it done. Then you can find it from this. You can see this meter, right? You go to done. So you can see these three leads is right here. Okay, see these three right here. So of course, to make it more specific and details update, you can do add notes right here. Okay, you can do add notes right here, agree. Then you can do some notes about what is the interactions and so on. Okay, or you can add the activities. Yeah, for example, this customer made appointment already, place order already, receive payment already, or the shipment. Okay, the things he order, you arrange shipment to the customer already. And that's the way you can do it. Yeah, the activity. There's only 4 activities that you can do. Yeah, you can do. Okay, so after you filter, you want to go back to the main inbox, you just tick the cross right here. You can tick, then it will be go back to this one. So one of it you can use is done. Okay, another one is if you're going to let other sales team to follow up someone, for example, like this Mr. Alen Gore, okay, Mr. Alen Gore, then you can go to on the top here, you can choose unread. So you can show unread already. So the certain person in charge, they will know how to follow up this customer, but you have to inform them that will be good one, right? And I will remark it again, read. And for some people, actually, they haven't given you the the contact number or they stop chatting. So you need to do follow up. How? You can use this star right here. See this on the top right? Please choose mark as follow up. Okay, so for those mark as follow up, you will know you need to follow up these people. You need to send a follow up message to this customer. Yeah, so we can filter and then you can choose follow up. And you can see these two are the people that's are the customer service team or the people who manage the page. They need to frequently send a message to follow up. You can send ask questions. You can greeting the customer. You can share some news topic to chatting with the customer, ask their opinion or ask them questions because you want to get them to manage to reply you, respond to you. Yeah, that's the tips I teach you. Very important. For example, I will ask them, boss, do you had your dinner already? Okay, if now it's dinner time. Boss, are you there? Okay, and then or else like recently if got a new shopping mall going to launch, okay, ask them, do you know the name of this shopping mall, boss? Okay, so you can ask some questions, interactions with the audience, with the visitors, with the leads, convert into quality leads. That's tips. Please note down. Okay. So one more button you can use is move to spam. For those customers who, if they complain you or they block you, you can move them to spam. Okay, because they click your advertisement, right? They click our advertisement and message us, but they don't want to continue to communicate. They don't want to respond to us. They don't want to give us the method to message them. They block us. So means they are come to prepare only, right? So move them to spam. Yeah, move them to spam. Okay, so that's the way to manage it. Okay, so please have a good communications with your team members, customer service team, leaders, manager, or the director and the customer as well, so you can know how to manage all the leads together in the messenger inbox. All right, so that's all for today. Goodbye.